Hi guys, Charlie here today with Mode Distributing, here to talk to you guys about Alfresco. Another one of the features that I would really like to highlight is our sear burner here. It has V-shaped grates. It's one highlight, and initially what it does is it just travels all the grease over to the back so that way we don't have any flare-ups. But really the burner is what I want to highlight here. I know and love Ruth Chris. A lot of people know and love that place as well, and they sear their steaks at 1800 degrees, and they achieve that with salamander burners such as these. Wonderful thing about ours is ours gets to 1500 degrees and it's able to achieve that in 4 minutes. So 4-minute preheat will get you up to 1500 degrees. Again, this here's very nice to sear. Switch over off to the indirect heat and you finish off on this side, getting you perfect results. If you'd like to experience the Alfresco Fire and Ice combo, please come visit Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center in Studio City, Calabasas, Santa Clarita, Torrance, and Costa Mesa. Another one